When somebody knocks at the door, we have no idea who it is. And I was looking for something that was cheap, easy to install, and required no power. Now, the obvious choice to us was to get a peephole. So the first thing I did is measure the thickness of my door so I knew which peephole to get. And as you can see here on the package, there's a size range, so I just need to make sure my door is in this range. Next, I also need to make sure that I have the proper size drill bit required for installation. Oh, and I also have a smaller size drill bit that I use for my pilot hole. Alright, so to get started, I just needed to take some quick measurements. All I did was measure and mark out a good height for me to look through, and another mark to make sure I'm center of the door. I measured everything twice so that I'd have everything centered and looking good. Now, to make the hole, I'm going to start out with my pilot bit. But as always, it's a great idea to have safety glasses on first. I drilled halfway through the door from the inside, and then again from the outside. Now that I have the pilot holes, I'm going to repeat the same process with the correct size drill bit. I'm also going to try and make sure that I have my drill bit perfectly straight as I'm doing this. There we go. Now just a quick cleanup and I'm ready to install the door viewer. This part's easy. I'll just twist the viewer apart, insert the peephole from the inside, and then twist in the glass viewer from the outside. Once it's fully tightened in, that's it. I loved how easy this was to install, and now I feel so much safer knowing who's on the other side of the door.